There you go. Get a video.
You boys.
Bob.
Christen this one.
Bob knows how to ride there.
High definition.
Bob knows how to ride there.
Boy,
Bob.
about 3 months ago, me and Bob got
Yeah,
along
yeah.
even better.
Yeah, yeah. This is just for all y'all adventures out there. We're on top of a mountain. Harley Phil's telling us what a good view we had. That's our view. We're riding on instruments.
To the mountains.
We're in the mountains.
We're on the tip top. That tree right there is the highest point of the mountain.
Bird knob.
Bird knob. And we want to see this beautiful view. And we're flying on instruments. We in the clouds.
Looks like wild.
Looks like asparagus fern.
No, that's steel. That ain't poison. That's not poison.
Wait a minute. Phil, take some and eat it.
No, I ain't gonna take the chance. I believe that's
Hey,
it smells
It's
like
deal, but I ain't
it
taking no
smells like
chances.
deal. It's deal.
You the bottomest of the crowd.
No, I don't take a chance up here, but that's deal. Eat you some, Wayne.
That's what she said at the picnic.
I believe it's wild deal. What do you say we go? I know what we can do. Get back down here, go back out Joe Brown, go back across Old Furnace and go over at Kat's and get us a sandwich.
That's exactly what we did yesterday.
What are you looking for? Quarters, Bobby? Nickels?
No, I thought I saw a deer track and I was trying to find more, but evidently it wasn't.
No, ain't nothing motorcycle.